Well, IFA is just beyond a traditional religion because it entails spirituality, it entails mathematics, it entails music. When we're talking about spirituality, we're talking about your lifestyle. We're talking about the way you reason and the way you communicate with the unseen. So it's beyond just a traditional religion. The musical aspect of IFA is another very broad aspect of IFA, which is called IFA. You're a Yoruba person, you should be hearing IFA songs. I'm also hearing that's the musical aspect of IFA. The whole details of Opele, the 4-4 aspect of Opele itself, the 4-4, it entails the mathematical aspect of IFA. Beyond that, IFA also has the concept of numerology in it.